We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WCOL. We will continue to serve the world of coal. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the world of coal. Do not use your telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. At 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a large unidentified ship that appears to be triangular in shape appeared in the Earth's orbit. The intentions of this unidentified flying object are currently unknown at this time, but the craft appears to have multiple large weapons on it. The following actions should be taken immediately by members of the public. All residents of the United States should shelter in place. To shelter in place, take the following actions now. Lock all windows and doors. Turn off all heating and ventilation systems. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Have a battery-powered radio to receive news and updates from broadcast stations and cable systems within your local area. Stay tuned to local media outlets for further information on this developing situation. This is an update to the emergency action notification message. The large unidentified object has sent flying aircraft to attack capital cities around the world. Additionally, ground troops wearing white armor and helmets have been deployed to attack militaries around the globe. Senior officials within the military are informing the president that the enemy soldiers are becoming reanimated with a green glow when they are shot down by Air Force missiles. The president and other world leaders have been in contact with the leader of this invasion, Grand Admiral Thrawn. Grand Admiral Thrawn is demanding total surrender from all forces, or he will completely destroy everything on the planet. Continue to shelter in place, and if you are faced off with his death troopers, do everything you can to protect your life. Nuclear attack warning. Nuclear attack warning. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government. All attempts to stop Grand Admiral Thrawn have failed. All world leaders will be launching nuclear weapons at the large unidentified flying object in the sky. All residents need to get to a fallout shelter immediately. If one is not available, get to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. If this attempt fails, there will be nothing to stop Grand Admiral Thrawn. Additionally, the Earth will be scorched beyond all recognition. If there is a follow-up broadcast, the government was successful. Good luck and God bless the United States.